Hi guys, just having my supper or evening snack, cheese and biscuits. I got a shout out request for Technical Abdullah. Looks like a young lad who's setting up his first YouTube channel. He's got his introduction there, which is probably playing over there with a bit of luck, and he's got a gaming video where he's playing a game, so feel free to go and have a look. Link to his channel will be in my video description. I won't be doing any more shout outs for a little while because I've got a lot of work, quite a backlog to get through, so I don't think I'll be able to fit any more shout outs in the near future anyway. Got a lot of stuff to get through, so that'll be the last shout out for a while, probably. That's probably finished by now actually. I think it was only about 20 seconds long. I don't think I can class this as one of these cooking granddad style videos. I want to get out and try and fly some of these planes. I expect the weather will break by the time I do that. Yep, that's long enough. Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.